from Maxi Priest.
Style, career, and net worth. Maxi Priest, born Max Alfred Elliott on June 10, 1961, is a British reggae singer of Jamaican descent who has carved out a unique niche in the music world with his fusion of reggae and R&B. Though born in Lewisham, London, Maxi Priest has always remained connected to his Jamaican roots, which have heavily influenced his musical style and lifestyle. Maxi was raised in a devout Christian household by Jamaican parents. His mother was a Pentecostal missionary, and he began his musical journey singing in church. As a teenager, he became deeply involved in South London's sound system culture, performing with the legendary Saxon Studio International, a group known for launching the careers of several British reggae stars. His solo career took off in the mid-1980s with the release of his debut album You're Safe. He gained widespread recognition with his cover of Cat Stevens' Wild World in 1988. But it was in 1990 that Maxi Priest made history. His hit single, Close to You, from the Bonafide album topped the Billboard Hot 100 chart in the US, making him one of the first British reggae artists to achieve such a milestone. This opened doors internationally and confirmed his place in the mainstream music world. Over the years, Maxi has released numerous successful albums, including Faye Real, Man with the Fun, and It All Comes Back to Love, the latter of which earned him a Grammy nomination for Best Reggae Album in 2021. He has collaborated with many top artists, including Shaggy, Roberta Flack, and Beres Hammond. His blend of romantic ballads and smooth reggae beats has earned him fans across generations and continents. Despite his success, Maxi Priest has maintained a relatively low-key lifestyle. He is known for being humble, spiritual, and family-oriented. He enjoys cooking, playing soccer and cricket, and spending time with loved ones. He is married to Charlene, and together they have 2 children. One of his sons, Marvin Priest, has followed in his footsteps and also pursued a music career. Maxi frequently travels between London, Jamaica, and the United States, where he continues to perform at major reggae festivals and international music events. He is known to give back to the community and has supported various charitable initiatives, particularly those related to youth and music education. As of 2024, Maxi Priest's net worth is estimated to be between $10 million and $15 million. His income comes from decades of music sales, global tours, collaborations, and royalties. He has also invested in real estate and other business ventures, helping to secure his financial stability. Maxi Priest's enduring legacy lies in his ability to bridge cultures through music. With his smooth voice and heartfelt lyrics, he has brought reggae fusion to the world stage and continues to influence a new generation of artists while staying true to his Jamaican heritage.